And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. How are you all around the world? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube. Everybody, I received a few emails during the weekend, so just quickly, okay, how to become a professional trader, everybody, just quickly. Alright, so Forex Course 101, it's about the market, okay, it's the learning phase, and you are trying to learn you are trying to understand how this market works, okay, and your job in the Forex Course 101 is to form or build a strategy. Make sense? Yeah, I'm just answering a few emails. Now in the Forex Course 202, it's all about the business. Okay, in the Forex Course 202, you are going to understand why 90% of all of people around the world fail. Okay, doctors, lawyers, movie stars, singers, architects, Uber drivers, gardeners, 90% of people fail. It's Forex Course 202. Exactly, Forex Course 101 is just about the market. Forex Course 202, it's about the money, so it's the institutional tools. Okay, so in the Forex Course 202, you're going to learn what to do to avoid those mistakes. What mistakes? Why 90% of people fail. And the 303, it's not necessary. Okay, 80% of us, me too, it's Forex Course 101 and Forex Course 202, it's enough. Okay, and for some of us, maybe 303, it's all about the trader. Why some traders are driving Lambos and other buying pizza, you know. Here you will learn why most professional traders don't drive Lambos and do the work that is required for you to get rich. Forex Course 303 has nothing to do with charts anymore and has nothing to do with trading anymore. It's all about psychology. Alright everybody, that being said, never forget trading is a learnable skill. Never forget that you are going to graduate from this course when number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have your strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Okay everybody, talking about the Fibonacci's, we are here. Find the Contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend. Okay, so we use the Contrarian Fibonacci to trade retracements, which is risky, and number 2 to find the capital C of the original Fibonacci, and number 2, if you can find the Contrarian Fibonacci with the extension above or below the capital A of the original Fibonacci, you are entering 80 to 85% probability trades of the original Fibonacci. And uptrend, so everybody open Euro JPY. Let's open together Euro JPY. So far we should have our Fibonacci's. Boss, on our chart we must have only the last Fibs or all of them since the monthly band. You are going to trade the last one. Okay everybody, you are going to trade the last one. Okay, now this is just for your understanding. You can leave all of them, you know, make sense everybody? You can leave all of them. Now this is what, green to green, green to green. Let me check this. And too many pivot points, right? Too many pivot points. There you go. Low to high. Low to high. Now this is not. And the market didn't hit the original Fibonacci, didn't hit the D yet. Hello everyone, hello. Alright everybody, now where should we start our Contrarian? From the first circle or from the second circle? And in the meantime, I'm going to put my ABCDs in here. This is going to be the A, Up in here is going to be the B. Our C is down in here. What is the C? The C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary after the B, before the market hits the appropriate D extension. And the projected D extension, it's up in here. So projected D extension, it's up in here. Green goes to green. And in the meantime, before I decide first circle or second circle, I'm going to write sub A. And everybody, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat, alright? Once you type in the chat, it's going to take 20 seconds to appear to my chat. Sub A, sub B, sub A, sub B, clone, edit label, sub C, and one more time, clone, edit label, and sub D, right? Oh, let me see. Anybody? Should we start our Contrarian Fibonacci from the first circle or the second? Yeah, we are using the same rules. Hedge fund trader Ernesto, hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Chila, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Jordanka, hedge fund trader Clara, come on. And anybody else I forgot? Hedge fund trader Aske, hedge fund trader Dimitar. First circle or second circle? The same rules apply, you know. What is the sub A? Is the hello Paul, how are you? Hedge fund trader Paul, forgot about you. What do you think? Is the first circle or second circle? Where should we start the A? The sub A is the highest high, is the starting point of something, it's the absolute high. Exactly, we want to figure out if this C is confirmed or not. Make sense, everybody? So for me to have an understanding if this capital C is confirmed, that is going to show me if this price action is 80 to 85%, should I start from the first circle or the second circle? First circle. Boss, but it already broke. We are not going to trade the retracement, we are just trying to figure out, is it a confirmed C or not? Make sense, Ernesto? Fibonacci and edit. Yeah, too many pivot points in between. Fibonacci, not this one. Right click, edit levels, maybe. Edit. Alright, I'm going to clone the chart. Euro JPY daily, Euro JPY daily. Euro JPY daily, exit full screen. Weekly, daily. Up in here. Daily in here. Oh, give me a second, everybody. I didn't delete it, right? I just cloned it or closed it. Did I close the chart? Clone chart again, alright. One more time, this is going to be the monthly. Everybody, let me do one thing, right? Too many things to deal with. Give me a second. I'm going to delete a few things. Monthly chart, alright. I'm going to delete a few of these pivot points. They are messing. There you go. Alright, so upper band, lower band, the market hit the lower band. First Fibonacci, A to B up in here, and finally the Contrarian is going to be from, and delete this pivot point too. Now we are talking about Contra Fibonacci, there you go. And one more time quickly, this is going to be our A, this is going to be our B, text, this is going to be our C, and up in here, almost there, this is going to be our projected, the extension. Alright, and here we have different colors. So this is going to be our sub A and 20. Alright, sub A up in here, clone down in here, this is going to be our sub B. Alright, and back in time, this was our sub C. Right, and finally down in here, violet goes to violet, sub the extension. Okay, this was back in time, right, everybody? And yeah, I need to quiet my cell phone, sorry about that. Sub C, sub D, alright? Now we're going to do what? We're going to sub A goes to sub C, and sub D goes on the side, and sub B goes to sub D, and we're going to rearrange, redo. Okay? Now Ernesto is asking, is that a confirmed C? What do you think? What do you think, Ernesto? Is the... So this was back in time, right? Is the sub D extension, Ernesto, and everybody else, above or below? Not today. Today it's a different story. We are just charting. We want to understand, is the C confirmed or not? Boss, this is too difficult. Practice, 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 practice. Oh, not asking, it is confirmed. Thank you very much. It's confirmed, absolutely. Okay, everybody? So the C was confirmed. The C is confirmed, so this is our C. Alright, now can you trade the retracement on Euro JPY monthly chart, everybody? We are here right now. Can you trade the retracement on Euro JPY monthly chart? And Ernesto is yelling, I'm not asking, it is confirmed. Sorry, man, I'm sorry, you know. Sorry. Alright, and my dogs are yelling too. It is confirmed. So, okay, alright, sorry, you know. Everybody, can you trade retracements in here? Yes or no? And remember, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chart. Paul, you are the one of the last ones on the show, right? Everybody listen up. Why don't... I remembered something from this morning. Why 90% of people aren't making it, not to get rich, not even, why 90% of world population are not making it as a professional trader? What is the answer? Exactly. They don't listen. They don't listen. Meaning they think they know everything and anything. Make sense? I just remembered. I had a conversation with the trader who finished the forex course 202. He has the knowledge, but he's not going anywhere. Make sense? Because he thinks that he knows now, I am the man, and his account is not losing anymore. Of course, this is a learnable skill. He's never going to burn the account, never again, but he has a different kind of issues. What kind of issues? When you get to the next level, everybody, you are going to have different issues. As a beginner level, you have an issue that you are burning the account, you are losing money, you are losing accounts. From the forex course 202, you are not going to lose accounts anymore. It's impossible. You are going to learn the skill. Okay, you are going to understand the business side of the markets. But there is the next issue. What is the next issue? You are not making any money either. It sounds like a joke. It sounds like a joke, but it's really not. Forex course 33, it sounds like a joke. Why some traders are driving Lambos and other traders are buying pizza with the money? It sounds like a joke, but it's not. Okay, to the newcomers, why he do this and she that and whatever. 90% of what people, they don't listen. I was the same back in time, fair enough. I was the same. I didn't listen for 5 years. Okay, everybody? So try to be coachable and listen, and try to be adult enough to accept that, maybe my way it's not working, maybe I should listen to the other guy. Numbers don't lie. Make sense? Ernesto, yes, we can trade retracement, low probability, risking less only after counter trend and break. Ernesto, no, you can't. Broto is correct, everybody. Do you have a down Fibonacci in here? Everybody, do you have a contrarian Fibonacci in here to trade retracements? You can't. If we are talking about the Fibonaccis, you can trade retracements in here. Look at the arrow. Why not? Because you don't have any contrarian Fibonaccis, right? Alright, moving forwards, and weekly, where is the weekly? Daily chart, 1 hour daily, weekly chart, everybody. Weekly chart. Let us see the Fibonacci on the weekly. Up and down, up and down. Alright. Now this is the most recent weekly Fibonacci this time. The market hit the D. The market just hit the D extension, everybody. So I need to readjust. There you go. This is going to be the original one. Right click, edit levels. Original Fibonacci, it's up. So we're going to put our ABCDs on the chart. This is our A. Up in here, this is our, come on. There you go. This is our B. So far, this is our C. So far, everybody, and our projected the extension. Projected the extension is up in here. Alright, everybody, do we have a contrarian Fibonacci? Can we chart the contrarian Fibonacci on Euro JPY weekly chart? Yes or no? Can we chart the contrarian? Boss, I don't know. Follow the rules. Do you have a high at the B? Do you have the low at the C? If the answer is yes, then you can chart the contrarian Fibonacci. If the answer is no, you can't. Make sense? And something is happening with Bitcoin. Clone chart. Let's check Bitcoin. The dogs are getting crazy when something's happening with Bitcoin, everybody. Give me a second. Oh, Bitcoin. Weekly, up and down, up and down. Nothing special. Nothing special. Nothing special. So, everybody, can you draw the contrarian Fibonacci? Do you have a high and the low so that you can connect sub A to sub B? Sub A, sub A and sub B, sub B. Everybody? Boss, but trading is emotional. Sure, absolutely. But what does this mean, trading is emotional? What does this mean when you have a setup that you should not take and you take the trade anyway? What does this mean? What does this mean when I'm telling you, Forex course 2 that everything starts with being a good analyst and you are just trading your strategy? What does this mean? And again, you are not necessarily losing accounts anymore, but you are not making any money either. You are working hard January, February, March, May, April, till December. And no money in the bank. Not to talk about the Ferrari. Today we are giving support to the Ferrari, Ferrari is our sponsor. What does this mean? What does this mean that you are losing, winning, winning, losing, losing, winning, winner, loser, winner, loser? Where you should win 7 times out of 10. You learn some principles, you learn some rules, you learn some concepts. You are doing this right now. Fibonacci is just an example. You've learned rules and concepts about monthly waves, market waves, short-term trends, candlestick formations, risk-reward ratios, and so on. Exactly, but you are doing something different. Make sense, everybody? I know exactly what I'm talking about. I was the same. But when I tell people, oh, you are not coachable, or you are arrogant, they get angry with me. Make sense? And I'm telling them, numbers don't lie. I'm telling some students, you should really shut up and listen. No. I say, alright, my life is not going to change if you listen or not, but yours could. Alright, everybody, enough of the sermon, right? We are here to learn Fibonacci's. So no, we don't have, this is not a low. I cannot enter the market short, so moving forward. And let's go on the daily chart, Euro JPY daily chart. Euro JPY daily chart, not sure about this one, that one. Alright, not even this one. Not sure about those. Fibonacci's are kind of alright. I don't have any Fibonacci's in here out. So weekly monthly, daily. Oh, out this one, your GPY monthly. 1 hour, 2 hour. Alright, so monthly chart up in here, daily chart on the right side, weekly down, and the 1 hour, 4 hour below. There you go. Monthly chart, weekly chart, daily chart. There you go. There you go. Alright everybody, what about now? So find the Contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend, right? You have two questions. So when using the Contrarian Fibonacci, we should always ask two questions. Ask two questions. Number one, is the capital C confirmed in order to trade the original Fibonacci? And number two, can I trade the retracement, the retracements, if I want to? Everybody take a screenshot, picture, photo of the text. When using the contra Fibonacci, we should always ask two questions. Two questions, plural, right? English grammar, two questions. There you go. Is the capital C confirmed in order to trade the original Fibonacci? Number two, can I trade retracements if I want to? Boss, weekly we have no Contrarian Fibonacci, right? Retracements, retracements. Everybody, if I want to find the C, this is my A down in here, this is my B up in here, this is my C down in here. Okay, so if I want to find number one, if I want to find number one, is the C confirmed? Should I start my contrarian from the B high, or should I start my contrarian from the second circle? Type in the chat, everybody. First circle, second circle. Boss, can you repeat again? When we're using the Contrarian Fibonacci, we are using it, the purpose is twofold. Number one, I want to have an understanding when I'm going long in here on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. I want to have an understanding, is this 80-20 probability or is this 50-50 probability? Boss, what do you mean? So what's the difference, right? So what's the difference between C is confirmed and C is not confirmed? Edit label, C is not confirmed. Talking about the Fibonacci, when the C is confirmed, this means that 7 times out of 10 the market is going to trend from C to D and is going to do less of those. Make sense? But when the C is not confirmed, the market could start trending, but then it's going to go down, back again, and up and again, and down again, before it goes to the extension. take a screenshot of this, type in the chat done. First, back in time to find the confirmed C. Yes, thank you very much. Great. Brought a 50-50. C confirmed 80% win probability, not confirmed 50 probability. Not on the strategy, not on the trade itself. Don't mix apples with bananas. We are talking about the Fibonacci. Can you see the difference, everybody? What does this mean? When the C is not confirmed, those two different market behaviors are going to happen 7 times out of 10. Sometimes a not confirmed C is going to win too. And sometimes the confirmed C is going to lose too. Make sense? It's a probability game. Make sense, everybody? So the first one is the correct answer, and back in time this was the chart, everybody. So I'm going to put my contrarian in here, alright, and I'm going to delete this one, be here on the side, everybody. Okay, now white goes to white, right? And I'm not sure about here. Okay, didn't hit the white. So talking about the Contrarian Fibonacci and trading retracements, which is riskier, sub A up in here, clone, sub B down in here, and clone sub C up in here, sub C, you can name it 1, 2, 3, 4, and clone. White went to white, didn't hit. This one is the correct sub D extension. Okay, so if I would trade the retracement, I would have one winner, right? Not sure if it's red. Oh, let me see, everybody. 147. There you go. This is 147,755. 147,749. 14771. So it didn't hit the red, everybody. It goes white goes to white, and again same rules apply. Sub A goes to sub C, sub B goes to sub D, and let's find another Fibonacci sequence. This time this is 138369, 1388, 1388, and this is 13886, 13880. So this is hit the white. We have another Fibonacci sequence up in here. This is the sub A, this is the sub B. So I would trade two retracements, right? Two retracements, and sub A, sub B, sub C, sub B, sub D down in here, everybody, sub C. Alright, is our C circle, is our C confirmed? Ernest is saying, I have seen many not confirmed C winning, mostly on the 4-hour chart. Absolutely. Absolutely. Just because it's not confirmed, this doesn't mean that it's not going to go with the Fibonacci way. Broad says 50-50. Everybody, because the sub D, it's not below the capital A, we don't have a confirmed C, right? And then the market broke our retracement. Now we have here the new one. So I would win 2, lose 1. And remember, we clarify that trading retracements is risky. Boss, why would I trade retracements? Retracements are a day trader stuff. Make sense, everybody? Day traders tend to trade retracements because they are day traders. They are going to go on the 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 5-minute chart. Make sense? Day traders are not trading the 2-hour charts or the 4-hour charts. What is the definition of a day trader? The definition of a day trader is that he or she is going to close the trade before they go home or before they stop trading for the day. If you are leaving your position opened overnight, you are not a day trader. I'm sorry to tell you. You are not a day trader. Make sense, everybody? And this is why swing traders are on the 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart. Day traders are most likely on the 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart max, 5-minute chart too. Okay, everybody? Now we have this last Contrarian Fibonacci if you want, everybody. Question: should you go long? Should you go short? You have the original Fibonacci valid and you have the Contrarian Fibonacci still valid. What are you going to do? What are you going to do, everybody? And we have one more coming in the next week. It's called the Fibonacci of the confirmation. Exactly, I cannot go long in here because the stop loss must be below the A. So risk reward ratio, it's no good. We teach you some tricks in the Fibonacci Mastery course, how to trade those. But we are going to do the next one after the vacation, make sense? Maybe in August. Fibonacci Mastery for the Fibonacci guys and girls. Everybody, if you want to master, if you like Fibonacci, for number one, if you like the Fibonacci tool and if you want to make more money with it, we're going to, I'm not sure if it's going to be August or September, Fibonacci Mastery course on Saturdays. Alright, everybody, so I cannot go long on the original one. Sub A, sub B, sub C, sub D. You can go long if you want, or you can short the market, or you can simply... But why would you stay out in a trending market? Make sense, everybody? If the market is trending, this is where you want to be active as a trader. If the market is active. Make sense, everybody? Yes, we're going to spend 2 months on the Fibonacci's, everybody. Okay. Now, because of the emails, where is the slide, everybody? Because of the emails, as always, next level number one, if you want quicker results and not waste 2, 3, 4 years to figure out the market, ask for private lessons of the Forex course 101. Time is an issue, why would you waste it? But the most important is number two, if you want consistent results, ask for the Forex course 202, the institutional trader course. This course, it's a must. If you've been around the block for 2, 3, 4 years and you are not making it, this course, it's a must. Why? Because you're not stupid, right? But yeah, you are lacking some specific knowledge, and this knowledge is your Now I'm laughing because somebody, not on YouTube but on the other streaming platform, somebody just like, what if I'm buying pizza with the money? Then you are welcome to come to the if it's a joke, it's alright, but if it's not a joke, you are welcome to come to the Forex course 303. If you are buying pizza with the money, being a professional trader. But I'm telling you, Forex course 303 has nothing to do with charts. You are not going to see any charts in the 303. Alright everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. Don't trade for money. Forex course 303. Don't trade for money, trade for freedom. This is FX Freedom.